Hi, I'm Robert Bierman, and I'll be presenting the Week 6 progress for Team Aachen. So for Week 6, our team set out to complete 8 activity diagrams for 8 use cases, and also to complete a first iteration of our requirements. We've completed all of our goals for the week, so we're feeling good about that. Our group met twice this week, once on the 20th and once on the 23rd, and of course all team members attended. Our progress remains strong. We are on track to meet all of our goals on time. So let's jump over to our documentation for iteration 5. So overall, our project plan, the things at the top of the documentation haven't really changed substantially in the past week, nor has the vision document, which is taking some time to load, but it will be there, I promise. And we had a few minor changes to our use case specification document, but no major changes to speak of really. So our activity diagrams, as per the requirement, we completed 8 activity diagrams for 8 of our use cases. We had gone a little bit overboard and ended up with 11 or 12 use cases, but since the requirement was only for 8 use cases, that's what we went with. So we did activity diagrams for use case 1, which was to check the system status. You can see the level of detail that Andrew went into on that one, and also did activity diagram for use case 2, check sensor status, use case 4, which is save video, use case 5 for toggling notifications, use case 6 for setting a backup strategy, use case 8 for notifying users of security events, use case 9 for arming the system based on device location, and use case 10, disarming the system based on device location. And then down here we have our first iteration of our requirements. So right now, the document is kind of formatted fairly loosely as basically mostly just a list of requirements. We've got into pretty substantial detail. We set out for each of us to draft at least 4 requirements, and as you can see, the 5 of us have gone above and beyond that. One of us has gotten a little bit of a jump start on 2 of the requirements for 2 of the use cases. So this is broken down into a hierarchy with more detailed requirements. So that is our progress for the week, for week 6. We'll jump back over there to discuss our plans for next week. So next week, our plan is to continue to iterate on our requirements and get those more detailed. Also make any changes needed as a result of the peer review that comes in, and to document our requirements in RecGIF so we can get everything in more formal format. Thank you, and have a good week.